What's up guys, it's Mike from Mike and Curtis, back here with another video, and today we have the single light bar from Philips Hue. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing and setting it up with the rest of my light bars, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is a single light bar, just if you wanted to buy one on its own, or if you're doing what I'm doing where I bought the two as a kit and then one, so that way I have three connected to the back of my TV. These things retail for like 70 bucks. They are a bit pricey, but they've got the full color of lights and stuff, and of course work with all your other Philips Hue things. And if you wanted to, you could buy like one of those sinks and have them play with whatever you're watching on the TV. But let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. So this one comes with another power adapter, but I won't need that right now. And then up front here, you got the light itself, some normal information telling you it's a light bar and can do different lights. The back, or the side here, is pretty much the same thing. And then the back gives you some more information. The other side's not much going on either side. So then let's go ahead. Oh, and then the back also tells you what you get, which is a wall mount, or the power adapter, the light itself, and then you get the choice of the adhesive mount or a stand. So if you wanted to stand it up or stand, it runs up by your monitor instead of hooking them up to like the back of the monitor or TV, whatever you're using this for in your setup, which is nice. And again, it's nice that I'll have another power brick if I buy more accessories. But that's cut. We can open this thing up. I assume it's going to be pretty simple compared to the other one that comes with the two. So you pretty much get the same paperwork in this box. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on to the side. You get the light itself right here, which again, these are smaller than I thought it'd be. It feels like it's gonna be the same exact thing as that bigger box. If you guys wanna go check that out, that should be posted before I post this one, which is the actual play bar kit. So it comes with two of them, and it pretty much comes with the same thing as this, just double of some of the things, but like the lights and wall that mounts and just normal mounts. So let's figure out how we can get this open easy. So again, here is the light itself. Not much going on to it. And then on the back here, you get your normal two like mounting, so you can mount it sideways or upwards. Doesn't matter where, depending on where you're actually setting it. You get your stand right here, so if you want to stand it up, that's right there. Super easy to set up. And then your wall mount. And there should be 3M somewhere hidden in this box, because that's how it was. Then you also get a Allen key and 3M tape for if you wanted to mount it onto a monitor or TV. And the only other stuff in this box is your power cord, or not your power cord, but your wall adapter with its US version, the 2-prong. And that is right there. And again, these things are nice because you can hook up to 3 different lights in this. So I'm going to hang on to this one just in case I buy more lights in the future or anything that might need those. So that way it only takes up one outlet on your wall. So again, I'm happy about that. That's pretty much it. The light, your 2 stands, and then your 3M and your actual little screw to connect them to the stands. If you guys want to see more, again, check out the video that I'll have posted on the actual play bar kit that comes with the both lights, and I'll show a little bit of setup of how I'm mounting them to the TV. Again, I'm probably not going to mount them standing up, they're going to go right there. But if you want to know more, check that video out. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.